Hey guys, how is it going? Welcome to another vlog. Say hello to the vlog. Straight from Helsinki. Just got here yesterday and we're going for a ride. I don't have a fixed gear for now, but we got bikes and I thought it would be cool to bring you guys along, check out how is Helsinki. There'll be some fixed gear stuff, don't worry. I already know that later this week there will be a night ride that I'll be joining, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's go. I guess you guys realized by the theme of the video so far that the bike infrastructure here is amazing. You can just ride everywhere, and it's, at least for now, 99.9% of the place you have dedicated bike lanes. It's so good. It really makes you just want to get out on the bike. And when it's so easy to ride like this, it's amazing. Welcome to another day. Today the weather wasn't so good, so we didn't do much more of a riding, but today is looking like beautiful blue sky, and something quite cool is about to happen. So if you guys remember, a while ago before I came to Helsinki, I was supposed to make a deal with a friend of mine to get his bike, but unfortunately we didn't manage to make the deal happen. But now that I'm here, he asked me if I want and if I need a bike while I'm here, he can borrow me that bike. So we're on the way to his house to get it. I'm gonna be then taking it on the night ride that is happening later this week. So when we get there, I'm gonna show you guys what I almost bought instead of the Bridgestone. And she's too. Yeah, right there. The road has been here for some time, so we could yeah. There you go, guys. For this week I'm gonna be riding the Affinity Kisena in this beautiful, what is that color? Gunmetal gray, whatever. Super excited to get back to the city and get the bike and go for a ride. So today you guys get to see a bit of fixed gear riding as well. Let's go. We're out riding. Very first thing we have to do, we gotta stop by my favorite wall and take a picture of the bike. this entire road, this is just cycling, commuting, and walking as well. It's going under the road you see up there. That's where the cars are going, and this is all just for cyclists. That's fucking awesome, man. This is for people and bikes. And this was built when?
I don't know.
How big is this? How long does it go? You don't know anything.
Maybe better do some research before.
We need to research. I'm curious, but it's a completely independent area just for cyclists and of course pedestrians. It's pretty cool. It's another day. Today I think I'm gonna try to visit the velodrome. The first time I came to, I think it was the first time I came to Helsinki in 2016. I organized with the help of Jukka, the owner of the Affinity. I organized a little race in the velodrome with the guys. We had a little group ride before, and then we rode to the velodrome. I even managed to organize some prizes that I brought. I don't remember what it was, but it was just an excuse to, being the first time coming to Helsinki, riding with the guys, to make a little event, get some people together. It was really cool. Don't have any video, but I think I got some pictures on Instagram. I'll share there. But yeah, today just gonna try to press by the velodrome if it's open and show you guys how it is. I made it. Ah, that is so nice. There's some tournament gonna happen, some other sports they use this for a bunch of events. So no cycling here, but at least you guys can take a look how it looks like. Very cool. Thank you. Have a good day. Alright, let's get out. I'm gonna do also a bike check on Jukka's bike, so you guys can check it out what I'm riding these days. Alright, time for a quick bike check. The frame is the beautiful Affinity Kisena. The color, I think it's called candy black. Beautiful, looks really beautiful. So we're starting at the front. The cockpit is a FSA SLK handlebar with lizard skin grips on a synchro stem. I don't know the measurements, so sorry, forget about that. It has a Campagnolo headset. For the contact point here in the back, STG Fly saddle with SG seat post. This has a very cool style of, it's carbon fiber fully. I'll show you a picture, a video, you're gonna see. Even has like some kind of square rails, really cool. For the drivetrain, Sugino 75 cranks on Sugino 75 bottom bracket. The chainring is a custom made. It's a 51 tooth in the front. No idea what's in the back. Probably like 16, 17, feels about that. But very nice. And the wheels, Mavic Ellipse on some Michelin Pro 4 Endurance. Feels absolutely amazing to ride. Beautiful bike to look at. Every time I look at it, I love it. And the only little thing I would say, it has a huge toe overlap, but other than that, ride's amazing. So what do you guys think about the build? Is that a yay or a nay for you guys? Let me know. So I'm on my way to see if I meet the guys for the bike ride. Hopefully I still meet them. Hopefully I can keep up. So let's see.
Henri! Mitä? Joo. Mitä sä täällä teet? Kai se asiassa kurpilla. Voidaan. Ei sulle se ongelma, että sit kun tulee fyrkkaan, niin haetaan valoja vaan. Aletaan polkaamaan ihan helvetisti.
Follow like good roof riding practices. So if you're slowing or turning, saw a signal and just keep like nice distances and yeah, signal whatever you are going to do, so there won't be any nasty accidents.
Yeah, not singling anybody out, but please, Visa, don't ride behind my wheel like half behind me, please.
Never done that.
No.
Yeah, what else?
So there you go, guys. That's pretty much the end of this multi-day vlog here in Helsinki. I hope you guys enjoy. I know this was a bit different, just merging all the days, but thought it would be a bit easier like that instead of trying to edit different days. There were days that were not much. I was just riding around with my girlfriend, just doing tourist stuff. And there were some days that were more bike related, bike focused. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.